Let's discuss 5 profit growth factors to know. First, boost operational efficiency. The way you've always done things isn't necessarily the best way to be doing them now, and a change could give your profits a significant boost. For instance, what actually gets accomplished at those weekly meetings you hold. Try cutting back on them, freeing your time and your staff's time to spend on other income producing tasks. If there's information all staff needs to get from you, send it to them in an email or set it up on a cloud based document sharing system. When was the last time you interviewed different vendors to see if you can get better prices or terms on the inventory or raw materials you buy? Or asked your current vendors for better pricing? What about your merchant account provider, your phone service? If you're still using a traditional phone line in an area with good cable or other VoIP services, you could be wasting thousands of dollars a year. Cutting your costs on reoccurring expenses without cutting quality gives your bottom line a nice boost. How about your inventory system? Is it automated or is it manual, labor intensive and prone to mistakes? While putting in inventory and order management software can be a fairly expensive project, if you do significant sales volume, the initial cost will be offset by the longer term savings in employee time and inventory accuracy. What about all those reports your staff is creating, printing out, and handing to you? The same reports your administrative assistant later files in a file cabinet. Do you really need them printed and filed, using up ink, toner, paper, and file cabinet space, and therefore floor space? Could they be stored on a cloud instead? Or, for that matter, do you really need those reports at all? And what about the orders or emails they are printing out and saving in more filing cabinets as a just in case? These are just a few of the ways small businesses can increase efficiency. One way to find inefficiencies, write down what you are doing every day, along with why you do it, the time it takes, and the result of doing the task. Ask your employees to do the same thing. Eliminate the activities that aren't necessary. Another way, ask your employees to suggest better ways of doing the work they do. Number 2, keep your employees happy. The process of hiring and training new employees takes time and money. Avoid that cost by doing what you can to retain your existing employees. Over the long run, having engaged, knowledgeable employees will increase your bottom line. You do not necessarily have to hand out large raises. While you should keep pay competitive, small changes like a coffee machine at work, flex time hours, a discount, or a bonus for making sales will help your employees to feel valued. If they feel valued and rewarded for their work, they are more likely to stick around. Number 3, offer maintenance contracts. Maintenance contracts and warranties can add a healthy injection of new capital into your business. After someone buys a product, they want to know that it will work. You can reduce some of their worries by offering maintenance contracts or warranties. In addition to bringing in additional revenue for your company, this will also help to create an ongoing relationship with each client that walks into your business. Before you launch a maintenance contract program, carefully work out the numbers to be sure you charge enough for the contract so that providing services or replacements to maintenance contract customers won't put you in a money hole. Number 4, expand to a new area. A small town may only need one cafe or supplement store. If your small business has already reached marketing saturation in your area, then consider expanding into a new sector. Before you decide to branch out, you will need to research the area first. How many similar businesses already exist there? What is the population density? Will overhead costs be similar to your current storefront? If you are not quite ready to set up shop in a new town, consider setting up an online storefront to sell your merchandise if you have not done so already. Number 5, talk to your employees and customers. Your employees are your front line and connection to your customers. They have personal insight into what your customers want and current inefficiencies in your business. Ask them to share these insights. They may be able to make suggestions for new products, product changes, or ways to streamline operating processes. Make sure you personally interact with customers at some point too. Work a cash register, answer incoming customer calls, send out surveys to customers. Ask questions to find out if they are satisfied with your company's products and services. And also be sure to ask customers to tell you what you could be doing differently and what they'd like to buy from you that you don't now sell. Their answers will help you see ways to continue to boost your business and your bottom line.